Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Welcome to Easy Listen Daily. Today, we will learn some easy cooking vocabulary. First, we have boil over. This means when hot liquid comes out of the pot. Be careful. If it boils over, it can make a mess on the stove. Next, let's talk about cut up. This means to cut food into small pieces. You might cut up vegetables for a salad. Then we have mix in. This means to add something and stir it. When making a cake, you mix in the flour and sugar. Now let's learn stir in. This means to mix something into food. You stir in spices to make the soup taste better. Heat up means to make food hot. You can heat up leftovers in the microwave. To cool down means to make food less hot. Let your soup cool down before you eat it. Next is fry up. This means to cook food in oil. You fry up eggs for a delicious breakfast. Slice up means to cut food into thin pieces. You slice up bread to make sandwiches. Chop up is similar. It means to cut food into small pieces. You chop up onion for your stir fry. Turn on means to start the oven or stove. Always turn on the oven before baking. To turn off means to stop the oven or stove. Don't forget to turn off the stove after cooking. Warm up means to heat food a little. You can warm up your tea in the microwave. Eat up means to eat all the food. Your mom might say, "Eat up, it is good for you." Now, put in means to add something into the pot or bowl. You put in the sugar in the cake mix. To take out means to remove something from the oven or pan. Be sure to take out the cookies when they are golden brown. Puin means tupo something. For example, you pour in milk for your cereal. Dish out means to serve food onto a plate. You dish out the pasta for dinner. Clean up means to wash and tidy after cooking. Cleaning up is important in the kitchen. Dry off means to dry dishes or hands. Use a towel to dry off your hands after washing. Set up means to prepare the table. Set up the table with plates and forks before dinner. Now we have whip up. This means to make food quickly. You can whip up a salad in just a few minutes. Bake off means to finish baking something. Let's bake off the cake until it's ready. Break up means to break food into smaller pieces. You break up chocolate for the cookies. Next is pick up. This means to lift food with fingers or fork. Always pick up food carefully. Throw away means to put old food in the bin. Don't forget to throw away expired food. Burnout is when something burns and is no good. Be careful not to burn out the toast. Roll out means to make dough flat with a roller. You roll out dough for pizza. And finally, season with. This means to add salt, pepper, or spices to food. Great job learning these cooking terms. Keep practicing your English in the kitchen. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.